Hi guys, welcome to session 52. Hi Mr. T, how are you?
Hi man, how's it going?
Everything is great, thank you. Welcome to the class everybody. Today we want to learn about routines, right?
Yeah.
Let me give you an example. For example, I clean the house every day.
Every day?
I
Really?
yes, I clean the house every day. I go shopping, I do the laundry. This is my routine. It is something that I do every day. So, routine is something that we do every day. What is your routine
I drink tea every day, every morning.
every morning? Anything else?
Yeah, I exercise every day.
Every day, yes. Anything else?
I cook every day.
Cook, okay, that's nice. You cook every day. So, in general, routines are the things that we do every day. In this part, we want to take a look at some routines. You can see the pictures. For example, number one is take a class. Take a class. It's a routine. You go to class every day. Clean the house. Clean the house. Number three, play sports. Play sports. Four, go shopping. Go shopping. Do the laundry. And the last one, make phone calls. Make phone calls. These are the routines. Now, let's listen to the audio and practice the pronunciation. Let's listen.
Page 36, Lesson B, Routines. 1. Building vocabulary. A. Listen and say the expressions.
Take a class, clean the house, play sports, go shopping, do the laundry, make phone calls.
Okay, so these are the routines. Now I want to tell you which routines I do. For example, I don't play sports, I make phone calls every day, I clean the house every day, and I take a class every day. What about you? Which of these routines do you do?
I make phone calls and go shopping every day.
Okay. Which of these routines you don't do? Negative.
I clean the house and play sports.
That's nice. Okay, very good. Now guys, please look at these expressions and comment for us which of these routines do you do or maybe you don't do. You can use don't and verbs to make positive and negative sentences. Now, let's go to the next part. We have a chart here. We have the days of the week. Well, let me switch to the board. Okay. Before we check the days of the week, I have a chart here about routines I like. Routines I like. For example, one of the routines that I like is that I like to go shopping. Go shopping is the routine that I like. And, for example, do laundry is the thing that I don't like. Okay, so I like to go shopping, but I don't like doing laundry. So, Mr. T, please tell us which of the routines do you like or you don't like?
I like to exercise and
Exercise,
I don't like wash the dishes.
yes. Anything else?
And I like cook and I don't like take a shower in at night.
Do you like taking a class?
Yeah, I
Okay.
take like a class.
Taking a class is the routine that you like. Very good. So you can make a chart, guys, and write down the routines that you like or you don't like. This is a good way to learn some new vocabulary. Now let's go to the next part. We want to talk about days of the week, starting with Monday. We know that Monday is the first day of the week. Monday. For example, on Mondays, I take a class on Mondays. This is my routine. I take a class on Mondays. Next day is Tuesday. So Tuesday is the second day of the week. What do you do on Tuesday, Mr. T?
I I take a class too.
Okay, I take a class on Tuesday. Now, we have Monday and Tuesday.
Tuesday.
The next day is Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay. On Wednesdays, I do the laundry. I do the laundry on Wednesday. Next day is Thursday. Thursday. What do you do on Thursday?
I go shopping on Thursday.
Go shopping. That's good. I go shopping on Thursday. Next one, we have Friday. Friday. So on Fridays, I usually I sleep. on Fridays. I sleep extra on Fridays, or let's say I oversleep on Fridays. On Saturday, what do you do?
I hang out on Saturday
I hang out, yes. Who do you hang out with?
with my best friend
I hang out with friends, with the best friend
on Saturday.
on Saturday. Good. Saturday. Okay, let's go to the last one. Last word is Sunday. Sunday. Okay. On Sundays, I go to work. I go to work on, okay. I go to work on Sundays. So in summary, these are the days of the week. We have all of them here in the chart. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. These are the days of, listen, you can make sentences, you can make examples just like these and talk about the days of the week. Talk about your routine. Now, we have the same chart here. If you have the book, you can complete it and make an example sentence. I play soccer on Mondays. Tell us, what do you do on each day of the week? What do you do on Monday? Let me write the question. Please write down in the comment section. What do you do on Monday? What do you do on Mondays? It means your routine or the things that you do. Please comment for us in the comment section. And don't forget to like the videos and subscribe to our channels. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.